Alright, well, as you guys know, I have been trying to get some braking miles on the new clutch here on Blue so we can, turn the boost back up and see what it'll do. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard for me to get those miles in because I drive a work truck every day. So I don't daily the car. I can't daily the car even if I wanted to. So what I'm going to be doing is letting my girlfriend drive the Mustang. Now, I love my girlfriend very much, but she drives a Toyota Corolla. And I'd be lying if I said I wasn't a little bit nervous about letting her take this to and from work for the rest of the week, unsupervised. But luckily, the guys from AZDOME have sent over a dash cam. So if she crashes the car, I can at least see what happened. I'm really hoping that's not the case. I just really want to install this so I can see her reaction when she either stalls out or has to make a turn that she's not super comfortable with or has, I don't know, any kind of issue. I just think it'd be funny to see her reaction. So I'm going to go ahead and install this today. And maybe by the end of the week, I'll give you guys just a little compilation of all my favorite clips from it since she's been driving. So I don't want to bore you guys with all the details, but in the box, you get the dash cam. This is a 4K front cam. You have the rear cam, which I believe is a 1080p cam. Both film at 30 frames per second. You got the cigarette lighter, charger, whatever you want to call it. And some additional mounting hardware for the rear camera. And it does come with a 64 gig SD card. So since this is going in the Mustang, I'm not going to really worry about the rear dash cam and running the wire for all that, because let's face it, the Mustang is not a daily. This is the one time the Mustang gets daily driven, and it's only the brake and the clutch. The rest of the time, the car pretty much lives at the track. Now, once the braking miles are done and she is no longer driving the car, we might go ahead and throw this in the Corolla. If that's the case, then we'll go ahead and hook the whole shebang up. Speaking of my girlfriend, there she is wearing the sweet Velocity Motorsports merch. All right, that's enough talking now. Let's go get this in the car. All right, so we're here in the Mustang. I'm going to just clean up the area that I want to stick the dash cam. I'm going to try to go high so when she pulls in too far into a parking spot, we can see the bumper get ripped off maybe. Putting this thing on literally could not have been easier. Just clean it, stick it on, and you can slide it off like that. I actually just found out you can just do this to pull it off. So now we're back on. Okay, so I think I got the dash cam configured, so let's get a cold start and just test it out real quick. Lee takes the Mustang to work tomorrow for the first time. This is like literally the first time I think she's driven it in like 6 months. She hasn't even rode in the car on the turbo setup, so wish Blue luck, guys.